Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 5 plus 5 multiply 5 minus 5. Okay, so most people solve this question like 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, multiply 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now 10 multiply 0 is equal to 0. But here they are wrong because this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, in PEMDAS, according to the PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Okay, both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this equation, first priority is multiplication. Okay, so first we have to multiply this part. So 5 plus 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25 minus 5. Okay, now here is a addition and here is subtraction. Addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so 5 plus 25 is equal to 30 minus 5. Now 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. So the correct answer is 25. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.